Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ytshuaibbb. If you're an international scholarship graduate student heading to King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals, KFUPM, in Saudi Arabia, you'll need to get a medical fitness report as part of your visa processing. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can successfully obtain your medical fitness report. The first step in the process is to register online for a medical examination appointment. Head over to WAFID.com, the designated website for this purpose. Once there, complete the registration and schedule your appointment. When registering, make sure to select the position applied for as a student. This is an important detail to ensure your appointment is correctly scheduled for your student visa processing in Saudi Arabia. Keep in mind that there is a $10 appointment fee, so make sure you have an international credit or debit card to pay for it. Unfortunately, there is currently no accredited WAFID medical center in Kashmir, so I recommend selecting Delhi as your preferred location for the medical examination. It's crucial to note that you need to visit the medical center within 1 month from the generation of your appointment slip, as the slip is valid for 1 month. Remember, the medical center location will be randomly assigned to you. Since you'll need to visit the Visa Service Center in Delhi for the MOFA, Ministry of Foreign Affairs number, choosing Delhi for your medical examination aligns well with this requirement. On the day of your appointment, visit the assigned medical center during its working hours, as specified on the appointment slip, with the required documents. These include your medical examination appointment slip, original passport, a copy of the first and last page of your passport, your international COVID vaccine certificate, where your passport number is mentioned, and 3 to 5 passport size and stamp size photos. Alongside these documents, remember to carry cash totaling around 5,500 to 6,000 rupees to cover the medical test fees. It's important to note that the medical center does not accept any form of online payment, so cash is the only accepted mode of payment. Once you arrive at the medical center, they will initiate your registration for the medical test. The comprehensive tests typically include a blood test, a chest X-ray, a urinalysis, and a thorough physical examination covering your eyes, ears, body, height, and weight. After completing the medical tests, the center will inform you of when to expect the test results. It's best to go early in the morning to receive the results later in the evening. You can expect to be notified about the medical test reports via SMS, or alternatively, you can check the results on the medical center's website. They might also inform you to call them at a specific time to inquire about the results. If you are declared unfit, you will have the opportunity to retest within 1 week with additional charges of 200 rupees per test. It's important to take this retest within the given time frame. Failure to do so will require you to pay for all the tests again. If you receive a fit status from the medical center, provide the medical center with the MOFA number. You can obtain this important MOFA number from VC Tasheer, a dedicated visa service center in Delhi for the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We will delve into the details of how to obtain the MOFA number in our upcoming video. Be sure to watch it, as having the MOFA number is essential for the smooth issuance of your medical fitness report. Once you have the MOFA number, you can provide it to the medical center through various methods. You can send it to them via email, update it on their website, or even call them to provide the number over the phone. Once the medical center receives the MOFA number, they will proceed to issue your medical fitness report. Remember, the validity of the test report will be 2 months. Make sure to complete your visa process within this period. You can also check your fitness status on the WAFID.com website. You will have to visit the medical center again to collect your original medical fitness report. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge of how to obtain your crucial medical fitness report for Saudi Arabia. But hold on, our journey doesn't end here. In our upcoming video, we're going to delve into the process of acquiring the all-important MOFA number and applying for the student visa stamp on your passport. Don't miss out on this vital information. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for our next video. Safe travels and best of luck on your academic journey in Saudi Arabia.